Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to do a quick install on my Subaru. I picked up some side view mirrors that are wide angle, and these are also heated as well as tinted. So it should be a quick, easy install, but I'll take you guys through it with me. So if we take a look at these, you have two clips that are actually at the top here, and these just pop in at the bottom, and then your heat element, focus here, the heat element goes on the side. So these just have little prongs that you just push those down on. So if we take a look in the car, currently I have your normal regular heated mirrors. This is a 2019 Premium. So from inside the vehicle, from my angle, this is what you can actually see. This is the driver's side, left side of the vehicle, and then this is my other side view. So the hope is that putting these on will actually allow you to see out further towards the right. So in my case, if you were me and you go to look over your shoulder to double check your blind spot, I have an even bigger blind spot. Let me turn this ISO up. Because the pillar's right here where I sit, so I don't really, it's a full head turn if I really need to look out that window, so I really want to get something that covers this blind spot. So hopefully these do that. We'll see. Well, that was a lot more force than I thought I needed. So, same thing, clip up top, pops in at the bottom. You're just going to take these two and just pull them off. All you have to do is take a flathead or whatever you have, just something light. You don't really have to put much force into this. And you're just going to push this up. So, now this should just slide off. And there you go. I don't believe these are reverse polarity, but in case they are, just if you want to put a piece of tape on them. Mine, I'm not really moving it, so I know which one was where. We'll go ahead and get the other one installed. So this is the driver's side OEM. Definitely a better quality. Thickness wise, the plastic seems kind of cheap on these new ones, but we'll see how it holds up. But the back is the same, they go in the same way. So your heating elements, there's two prongs here for that. It's out in the light for you. So there's two prongs for the heating, and then the same thing, two clips. These two clips at the top actually sit in, so it goes in, if this is the mirror, it clips in upward and then pops straight in on the bottom. So those two hooks up top need to be clipped in first. But it does seem really thin, so I don't know, we'll see how they hold up. But I definitely like the tinting, we'll see how it does with the LEDs. My old lady eyes definitely need the tinting, so we'll give it a shot. If you don't like the tinted ones, they also make these just heated that don't have this on it. You can get the plain ones, but let's go ahead and get this installed. So this is with the new mirror installed from my same viewing angle again. As you can see, we can see a significant more portion of the garage, so any cars that'll be passing further out will actually have visibility of. As opposed to, if you look on the other side, that's still the original mirror, you can't see that much. You don't see the interior wall garage, you just see a little bit at the end. This one you can actually see the whole thing. And if I go ahead and adjust these, I can adjust it pretty far out. Let's see if I can give you a 0 ISO on. I think the blue is so subtle that you really don't notice it unless you're close up. I think because my vehicle's blue, it almost looks like it's reflecting off of there. So for me, I like the blue. I don't mind it. I think it looks great. I'll have to see maybe in the daytime if I could get some shots. I mean, it's day out right now, but it's pretty miserable outside, so it's been raining all day. So yeah, I'll go ahead and get the other side installed. I'll hang on to the OEM ones in case I run into any issues. But for the most part, it's an easy install. I definitely would recommend. Well, that's going to do it for today's install. Like I said, these were pretty simple to install. Just don't be afraid of if you think you're going to break the OEM ones. I had to put some force into it. I did try using a plastic pry tool to see if that would be easier. It didn't really make a difference. But the best thing I can do is pop it backwards and use the palm of your hand to push at the bottom when you want to clip it in. And it clipped right in the second time I did it. So quick, easy install. I'm excited to see how these are when I'm on the highway. Let me know if this is something you guys would put on your car, or if you already have them on your car. Let me know how they've been for you. Drop a comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next install.